Hi everyone, Merry Christmas. I hope that you're having a great holiday. Thanks for joining me for my video this morning. So I'm gonna make a keto French toast casserole for Christmas, and I will have the recipe for this in the description box, so check that out if you wanna make this one. So I have this keto bread. It's 1 carb per slice, so it's really great. I'm also gonna use some monk fruit sweetener. I have some brown sugar monk fruit, almond flour, milk, heavy whipping cream. I have some butter, cinnamon, vanilla, and then eggs will go in this casserole. So I have the oven preheating to 350 degrees, and I will make this casserole for our Christmas breakfast. All right, I'm going to use 8 eggs. So I'm going to crack each one into the bowl. Before I add in, I have 2 cups of milk and half a cup of heavy whipping cream. And then I'm also going to add in 3/4 of a cup of monk fruit sweetener and vanilla. I have 1 tablespoon of vanilla. So I'm going to add all those ingredients together and whisk it so that it's mixed all the way through. So for the topping for the French toast casserole, I have half a cup of almond flour, half a cup of brown monk fruit sugar, and I have a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to mix this all together, and then I'm going to put it on top of the bread part of the casserole. I'm going to spray my Pyrex baking pan with cooking spray. So I'm going to spray it really good so that the casserole doesn't stick to the bottom. And then I'm going to add in my keto bread. This is so great. Like I said, it's 1 carb per slice. I get this in the frozen section at the grocery store, so check yours out if you want to get some keto friendly bread. Then I'm going to add in my egg mixture on top of all of the bread pieces. And then now I'm going to add in cubes of butter. I'm going to spread it on top of the bread. They're just in little chunks, and I'm going to just lay these across the top of the casserole dish. Once the butter is all laid out, I'm going to spoon over the brown monk fruit, sugar, and almond flour all over the top. Once that is all done, I'm going to put this in the oven. I'm going to cook it for about 45 to 55 minutes, and then this will be all done, and it's really, really delicious. All right, so this keto French toast is ready to go for our Christmas morning. Thank you for watching. If you want to make this one, I'll have the recipe in the description box. And I hope that you have a great Christmas. I hope that you have a happy new year. Check out my other keto recipes if you're following that diet. And I will see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, and Merry Christmas again. Bye-bye.